Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a video song with photo using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot, and first of all, I'm going to create a project on InShot. I'm going to click on video and click on new to start creating new project. And here you can choose photos that you want to make a video song. You can go to the photo section like this and choose some photos from your gallery. And I'm just going to pick random photo from my gallery. Okay, and then you can click on the check mark and you can make all your photo have the same duration. You can go to the duration option and then you're going to choose a duration you want to apply to your photo. And I'm going to apply 2 seconds. Then click on this double check mark to apply this duration to all your photos. Okay, and click on apply to all, and as you can see all my photos have same duration. And I'm going to add transition to my photo. We can click on this icon and choose the transition you would like to apply, and I'm just going to apply one transition to all my photo and click on the double check mark, apply to all. And now the transition has been applied. And the last one, we're going to add music or song to this project. You can click on audio and click on the music. Okay, and here you can choose the music which has been available in InShot, or you can also import your own music or your own song. And I'm just going to choose music from InShot. I'm going to choose this category and I'm going to choose this one. Okay, don't forget to download the song before you add it to your project. Okay, and click on use. Okay, and this is the final result guys. Okay, alright guys, and that's all the way to create a video song with photos. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.